Hey guys, in this one we're talking about, and I'm showing you how to add a bank account on Google Pay. So just type in Google Pay, and by default, you will be taken to the wallet. So this Google Wallet right over here. So you just go to Google Pay. You will either have this, or you can go here, and then let me just change the language. English, United Kingdom. There you go. And you just press on this Set Up Payments Methods. And you'll be taken to this page right over here. And in here, the way this works is not by adding your bank account right away, and it's rather just adding your payment method. So of course, which is going to be your card. So as you can see, we have the payment methods tab right over here. You can just click on add. And in here, guys, look, both on your phone and on your PC, you will have these fields. So firstly, it's the number of your card. Sorry for the language once again. Can't turn it into English for some reason. So it's a card number. As you can see, it's Visa, MasterCard, etc. Expiry date is going to be month and year, and also the CVC from the back of your card. Don't forget about that. And also, of course, the name on the card. So just exactly the way you have it written on the card itself, right? For example, John Doe or whatever, or Joe Schmo. It doesn't matter. You write it in here in this field exactly letter for letter, all right? So that's very important. Then after that, you just press on save. Then Google will check if this card is legitimate. It might also draw a test amount, a small test amount from your card in order to confirm that this card is not fake, that it's working, and it's connected to a real, genuine bank account. And after that, that's pretty much it. You can use your card now, and your card along with your bank account is now added to your Google Wallet. So that's it, guys. Hopefully this helps you out. If it did, leave a comment if it did, of course, and thank you for watching.